Let's adjust some network settings. Open up the Settings app on your device. Tap on Network and Internet.
Then tap on Wi-Fi. Now, tap on the settings icon next to your connected Wi-Fi network. Scroll down and tap on Network Usage.
Set it to detect automatically. Make sure to enable Auto Connect. Once done, go back to the main settings. Once you are there,
after these changes, check if your Wi-Fi connection has improved. If you have still issue,
then the next step is to restart your device and router.
Simply restart your phone and disconnect your router.
Wait about 10 seconds. Once done, then connect it back. This can resolve your connection problems.
Hopefully, this step fixes your issue.
If not, let's move on to the final method. Open the Settings app again. And scroll down. And click on the system. Then tap on Reset Options.
Then reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth. Tap Reset Settings, enter your pattern or password, and confirm. Your phone will restart, and you will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network.
And that's it.